Hello and welcome to Easy English Daily. Today, we will learn common English sentences students use every day at school. Listen, repeat, and practice with me. Let's begin.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher. May I come in? May I come in? I have a question. I have a question.
Yes, what is your question?
I don't understand. I don't understand. Please repeat that. Please repeat
That.
May I go to the bathroom? May I go to the bathroom? This is my book. This is my book. Ah. I finished my work. I finished my work. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Excellent work today. Keep practicing these English sentences every day. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Daily for more fun English lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye.